It's fine. I don't even have the materials for their weapon. I'm putting in your rule. If anyone lands on miss not swiping, like it can't be 2 weeks in a row. If you land it, it's today, for example, it's gonna be next week. How is that a scam? Let's see if you guys get it to begin with, okay? How about that? I should rig my wheel. Are you fucking kidding me? No. It's gonna be applied for next week. No. Dictator? You know, I'm the streamer here and I'm the one who decides. I don't think it's a good idea to let my chat decide things from you. I think we learned that from last week, right? What if you guys constantly get it week after week after week?
Miss, give me the card. It never said Tinby couldn't swipe. This is legit the biggest scam.
You're right, Tembi. You can swipe for me. We'll beat your gambling addiction together. No! Who said I wanted to recover anyway? I don't know how close I am to pity. Let me check. 50 wishes. No! How much did you wail? I didn't wail at all yet. I was hoping I could get it without wailing. No. Look at me doing single pulls. I'm not whale anymore. I feel ashamed of myself. I have betrayed my own kind. Oh my god. What? Please, come on. I beg you. Wait. Wait. What the fuck? I didn't have to wheel. Okay, look. If you land it, it's today, for example, it's gonna be next week. I told you I'll make it next week. Never mind. It's this week. So next week I can get Robin with my money. You have your own weapon now. I guess we can go try her at the BIS. 81 crit rate, 193 kiss damage. Weapon artifact is Gladiators 966. Apparently floor 12 is hard, but I think it's gonna be easy peasy. What elements can take down lightning shield? Easy peasy. I kind of want to make like one team is Hutao and the other team as Arlecchino. The thing is, I always want to bring a healer with Farina because she drains the living shit out of my teammates. If you bring Zhongli, they don't get hit. Yeah, but their HP still goes low. I'm not that confident with my first team or my second team because for the first team, I don't know how to use Bennett. And the second team, Farina is gonna drain the living shit out of my teammates. Oh my god! Ah! Don't die! Don't die! I believe in you guys! Oh my god, oh my god. I'm staring at your HP! I'm staring at your HP! Oh my god!
For attention, did you? Witness mine. One with nature. Everybody stand back!
Oh my god.
Rank cutter.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What? That went way better than I expected, honestly. This team will carry. If my Arlecchino team can't carry, this team will carry. Why didn't I use Wait, Farina. Why didn't I use Farina? You know, Hutao and Yellen are enough, right?
Stabilize.
Now I'll use Farina. Yay! Time to shine. Oh my god. Wait, where is she? Where is she? Where is she?
Gotcha.
Oh my god. Am I doing 100k damage? Or am I blind? I honestly, I'm so bad at reading the numbers. It happens so fast I can't even tell. Oh my god. Die! Okay. Chingchuk is keeping your Arlecchino alive. When does he heal? I know he heals, but I'm not quite sure when he heals. Doesn't Chingchuk also give you interruption resistance as well? I think, if I remember correctly. I just should go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, no, I didn't reach 4 yet. Oh my god, she's almost dead. I got scared! Why did I skill then immediately go into hitting? Because I'm a scared bitch. Oh my god, this is skill. I wanted to skill. The 1, 2, 3, 4 did not work, guys. What am I doing? What am I doing? Come on. I'm when the 1, 2, 3, 4 as in like my characters, I mean 63k, goddamn. Wait, how many minutes left? I wish I could show you right now. Oh my god, 1 minute and a half. I believe in this team. I believe. Oh my god, there's 7! 7! Oh my god. 1 minute left.
Here comes the catch.
Where is the other one?
Hello there.
Oh my god. The fucking lectures. Oh my god. Oh, I forgot they get their fucking HP back after the failure to take their shield down, whatever. I don't think I can do it. Oh my god. I'm spamming. No. It's just so close. Okay, now I know what to do. Wait. I fucked up. Forget that happened. That didn't happen, okay? Oh my god. Panic ult! Did you see her HP? I'm doing so bad. What is this? Arlecchino, if you get your ultimate, I would really appreciate it right now. Everything is fine. Everything is dandy. I'm not doing that much damage. I don't like this. Wait. You know what? I'm thinking of bringing Cheverus. Arlecchino, Miku. Cheverus official, I guess. Philly. Overload. Arlecchino is gonna be a carry.
Right now. Emerge. Like to behold. Right now. Right here. Emerge.
You asked for it. Wanted my full attention.
What
did you?
the
Everlasting as the moon. Transfixed.
Right now. Emerge. What a nuisance. Right now.
As you wish, for
Please don't bully my Arlecchino. Don't bully. Bullying is bad, okay? Even if it's Arlecchino.
Hands where I can see 'em. Drop your weapons.
Boop, 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 boop.
Come on now.
Oh my god!
This is where
Shadow Raven, Black Knight.
I don't know if we'll have time, but we'll try. I'm scared. I don't think I have time. Can I still kill them even they're invisible? Yes, let's go. Come here. Come here. Your journey ends here.
Hello there.
Okay, 1 minute left. 1 minute. Oh my god, where are you going, Hotel? You said water does nothing to them, right? The truth shall set you free. Oh my god. This is the time where I hate the Hotel's skill doesn't last that long. Hotel, come on. Okay. Okay. Okay! Hotel! Oh my god! Hit him! Hotel! Oh my god! Okay, we did it!
You'll get frostbite.
laid bare.
Right here. Right now.
Laws revealed by justice will prevail. Stop right there.
There's 10 people here? Why are there 10 people here? Oh my god. You are not welcome here.
Overruled.
As you wish, my Fräulein.
You asked for it. Final warning.
Oh my god, I'm switching to Yamika, but it's not switching.
I'm always watching. Right here.
Laid bare. Hands where I can see 'em.
Emerge. Right here. Come on now.
Oh my god, why are these...
Darkness. Come.
Oh
Sever
my god. Please, please. Why are there more?
As you wish, mein Fräulein.
As you wish, Min Fräulein.
Right here. Emerge.
Drop your weapons. You asked for it.
Oh my god, my god, my god. Come back here. I don't know if I'll have time. Yeah.
Solidify.
Time to shine.
Quietly now. Gacha. Things are about to get dicey.
Oh, cryo, you say. Cryo, you say. Cryo, you say. Oh my god. Oh my god, wait. Oh my god, now I have to go back to hotel. Where did he go? Where are you going? I was like so certain that I'm gonna do this next week if I get Arlecchino's new set, but I guess I don't need it. Holy shit! I actually really like the Overload Arlecchino team. You have 1 minute chill. Yeah, I was chill. I don't know what you're talking about. I was completely chill. Like yeah.